Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Podia tracking script from sites, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Podia tracking script from your website, start by logging into your website's management dashboard. Navigate to the section where scripts or custom code is managed. This is typically under the Settings or Advanced Settings tab. Look for the area labeled as Header, Footer, or Custom Scripts. Search for the Podia tracking script within. The script usually contains references to Podia's URL. Once you locate the Podia tracking script, select it for editing or removal. If you are unsure, it is advisable to make a backup of this code before deleting it. You can copy the existing code into a text editor for safekeeping. Now, delete the entire line or block of code associated with the Podia tracking script. After removal, ensure that you save your changes. Next, clear the cache of your website to make sure the changes take effect. You might also want to clear your browser cache to see the latest version of your site. To verify successful uninstallation, visit your website and check the page source. Look for any remaining references to the Podia tracking script. If you see no traces, you have successfully uninstalled it. For further confirmation, you can use browser developer tools to inspect network requests. Check to see if any calls are being made to Podia. If there are no requests to Podia, then the uninstallation is complete. And that concludes the guide on uninstalling the Podia tracking script from your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.